In ancient times, cats were worshipped as gods. They have not forgotten this.
Cats are connoisseurs of comfort. People who hate cats will come back as mice in their next life.
As every cat owner knows, nobody, I said, nobody, owns a cat.
The cat could very well be man's best friend but would never stoop to admitting it.